there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. Check out my amazing glow-in-the-dark stickers. I've got stars and a moon. Oh, and even a rocket ship. So cool. Oh, but do you know what's even cooler? The next video. Let's watch.
Hey there, Hoot. What's the hurry? Where are you off to in such a flurry? The Great Hoot Toot? What's that? It's a mighty hoot gathering. That sounds zointastic. Can I come? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's scoot our boots to the Hoot Toot. Okay, so this is where the hoots hang out. I can't see anyone, but I sure can hear someone. Or maybe a lot of someone's. Hello? You're right. Can you root out some of these hoots? Get them to come out and say hello? Hey, it's Blue Hoot. And there's Little Hoot. And Big Hoot. Hey, Flute Hoot. Look over there. That's Rudy Toot Hoot. Well, all the hoots are in the house, so how do we get this musical party started? Maybe we need to lead the way, Hoot. Let's see if we can get all you guys to play in cahoots. When hoots play together, it sounds so much better instead of tooting wildly on their own. So, Big Hoot, play along with me, a bass line, not a melody, 'cause we can't start this party all alone. A happy, great cacophony, a fruity, tooty hootery. Is hootery a word? Well, I don't know. From big to small, we've got it all. Let's play together, have a ball. The music that we're making starts to flow. You know, let's go. Suddenly, it's a symphony of hoots all playing together as a band. Well, harmony and melody, they all work together hand in hand. Hey, Bops, you showed up right on time. To add more rhythm, that's just fine. The sound we're making really does enthrall. We play together, it sounds great. Now's the time to celebrate. We've made the greatest hoot toot of them all. I love this. It's hootastic.
Wasn't that stellar? Ha! I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.